Okay. So after creating map chart, now one more very important chart that is used quite frequently now is a tree map. So what is a tree map? This is a kind of visual which is quite new in the market and everybody tries to use it in one or the other way. For creating that, let us just create one more page. Here, I am going to create a tree map. So if I see here, there is a tree map option that is available. I'll just click on that and I'll just elaborate it into my entire sheet. Now, once I clicked on tree map, I have these category details and value details that are there, which are getting populated. So if I want to create a tree map of subcategory wise sales, so if you see, we had created category wise sales, but only three categories were there, then this kind of visual is okay. But when you have more than six, seven, eight different kind of subcategories, in that case, you need to have a better visual. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select subcategory, and first I need to just select the visual so that I can see the options. I'll just put subcategory into category. Now, right now, I cannot see anything because I have not put sales. So I'll just select the sales and put it in values. So see, this is the perfect example of having a tree map. Now, try to understand what this tree map shows. How this is my entire total sales. Out of this total sales, phones contribute the most part of it. Copiers contribute, then second one, third one, bookcases, and the least contributor is labels. This is this gives you the complete picture of how your sales happen in a company ecosystem. Right now, again we have a lot of different kind of edits that are there. First is legend. Okay, if you on legend, then you will see all the color coding, but I don't want legend because in this box I can itself see that there is a tag that has been given, that is phones. So I already know that this color is given to phones, so I'll just remove legend, just go into color. So if I want to change any color of any subcategory, I can change it. So in this case, if I want to change color of any subcategory, I can change that color. Then we have data labels, very, very important. Once I click on that, see, I can see all the values getting populated so that I can see that chairs contribute 493K. Okay. And this K can be converted into millions, thousands, or maybe, any other value also. So this values can be converted based on our requirement. For example, if I just increase the size, so I can increase the size of it. If I want to remove decimal, I can remove that. I'll just make it bold. I'll remove the decimal so that everything can be visible. Right now, everything is quite visible. Right? Display units, I can make it thousands, which is there already there. I can make it millions also. Right? But because it is a subcategory, so thousands are fine. Then in general, we have title. So title we can have subcategory wise. Sales. Just increase the size. Bold. Make it to our theme. Make it center. Or if you want, you can have a background also. Something like this. Or maybe some darker background if you want to have something like this. Or maybe clear. So in this way, you can do the changes based on your requirement. So this is what we call a tree map in Power BI.